What happens to your liver when you start to drink enough water? How does water affect one's liver? The liver is especially affected when the body is dehydrated. Drinking a large amount of water is essential for your liver's detoxification. It removes the toxins and flushes the liver tissue. Is it okay to drink more than the recommended amount of water? Drinking enough water offers health benefits. However, drinking too much water, such as 3 to 4 liters per day, in short periods, may lead to water intoxication. For proper metabolism, a normal human body requires about 2 liters of water. 6 to 8 small glasses of water per day